Kate here. We all know projects don't always go as we intend them to. In this case, I had a scheduled install for a new pool heater. Turns out nothing is to code. So one of the things I need to do is pour a new concrete slab, so that's what I'm going to take you through today. Full disclosure, I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. Here's the spot where I will be laying the concrete slab for my new pool heater. I've tampered it down a little bit. Now I'm just going to tamper it a little bit more and make sure it's level. I've added in little posts around each side of this square box here, just to make sure that when I pour cement in, it doesn't start moving. The next step is to spray this down lightly with some water. Here's a quick tip. Calculator.net is a great tool to go to in order to find out how much concrete you need for a project. In this case, you just enter the length, width, thickness, or height, and then it'll tell you how many bags of concrete you need. Concrete slab is all done. I'm super happy with the way this turned out, and now I can finally install my new pool heater. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to be notified of my future content, make sure you subscribe below. A little subscribe button down there. Thank you for watching.